In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best cordless hot glue guns available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the cordless hot glue guns list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the cordless hot glue guns mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, XMSJ Cordless Hot Glue Gun. The XMSJ cordless electric handheld hot glue gun is ideal for DIY enthusiasts and home repair projects. Designed with an anti-scald nozzle, it ensures safety during use while delivering precise glue application. This model comes with 10 glue sticks and is battery-powered, making it highly portable and convenient for on-the-go tasks. Lightweight yet durable, it provides reliable heat for efficient melting and bonding of various materials, perfect for crafts, repairs, and creative projects. Number 4, MELLIF Cordless Glue Gun for Dewalt. The MELLIF Cordless Glue Gun is compatible with Dewalt 18V and 20V as well as Makita 18V batteries, making it a versatile tool for DIY projects. Featuring a copper nozzle and a robust battery-powered design, it offers efficient hot melt performance. Lightweight and portable, it's perfect for home DIY, crafting, and gift-making tasks. Please note, glue sticks and battery are not included, allowing users to customize power options according to their existing tool kits. Number 3, Deli Mini Cordless Hot Melt Glue Gun. The Deli Mini Cordless Hot Melt Glue Gun is a compact and efficient tool for household and DIY applications. It operates on lithium battery or 220V AC and supports both 7mm and 11mm glue sticks, delivering high-temperature performance with 10W to 80W power options. The copper nozzle ensures precise glue application while its mini size provides portability and ease of handling. Ideal for repair work, crafting, and creative projects, it's a must-have for versatile home and office use. Number 2, MELLIF 100W Cordless Hot Glue Gun. The MELLIF 100W Cordless Hot Glue Gun is built for serious DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Compatible with Makita 18V LXT batteries, BL1830, BL1840, it delivers powerful heating for fast and efficient glue application. Its copper nozzle allows precise control and the tool's ergonomic design ensures comfortable use over extended periods. This glue gun is perfect for home repairs, crafts, and larger DIY projects, providing strong adhesion and a reliable, portable solution without the need for wired power. Number 1, Vilasting Cordless Hot Melt Glue Gun. The Vilasting Electric Hot Melt Glue Gun is a high-performance cordless solution for DIY and professional applications. Compatible with Makita 18V batteries, it uses 11mm glue sticks for strong bonding. Its copper nozzle ensures accurate glue application while the ergonomic design allows comfortable handling. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for crafting, home repairs, and creative projects. Whether used for precision work or larger bonding tasks, this versatile glue gun combines convenience, safety, and reliability.